My name is Skye Knott, and I'm a holistic journalist, columnist, and broadcaster. I'm scouring our great terrain for the people who have made a connection with nature, be it the world around us, their own nature, or a collaborative state, and made it into a true passion. These are the people I think you should meet. So let me introduce you to some new energies, minds that see things a little differently, bodies that ebb and flow to their own vibration. I'm on a hunt, and if you like, I'll take you with me.